Hello, prospective students. My name is Eleanor Mendelson, and I'm the Admissions Director at Five Branches University. It is my pleasure to invite you to our first on-campus event for this year. During this event, which is scheduled for Sunday, February 19th, starting at 1 p.m., we will not only showcase our programs and the admissions requirements and admissions process, but you will also have the opportunity to immerse yourself within Chinese medicine through attending lectures, participating in Qigong or Tai Chi classes, as well as getting treatments with our senior students. People who participated in past events told me that it was a real fun and very informative, and we hope that you will feel the same way. If you cannot join us during that day on Sunday, February 19th, please call us, email us, and we'll be very happy to meet with you and answer all your questions. Until then, I wish all of you a very prosperous, healthy, and joyful Year of the Rabbit. Thank you.